Hey everybody, just another quick little pathophysiology. This is Dr. Patrick Larrabee with Larrabee Sports Performance. And we're looking at some cardiac pathology and we're kind of looking at coronary artery disease. And this picture didn't have a great set of coronary arteries, so I drew them in with the little yellow lines. But realize that right here, right, is where we start that aortic arch. And so we talked in the last video about this back pressure. And that back pressure, A, is not great if it gets too high because this ventricle is going to get overworked. The other problem we have is the heart itself is actually fed by that back pressure. So then if we're talking that this back pressure should be 80, then these coronary arteries are at 80 millimeters of mercury. If this back pressure now is 100 because of some peripheral artery disease or some hypertension, then that back pressure is actually coming back down through here and forcing its way into these coronary arteries when these valves are relaxed here. In doing so, this is where we see that coronary artery disease because the increase of back pressure that feeds the heart through the coronary arteries is now at a higher level and then does damage to those.